Welcome to another histology training video from Arraymold. This video covers 3 techniques for fixing or removing cover slips from a slide. In this first technique, we explain how to remove a plastic film cover slip. We recommend going from acetone into absolute alcohol before xylene. Most techs skip the alcohol part and go directly into xylene, which can produce a fog on the slide if there is any film residue left on the slide from the acetone. Absolute alcohol continues to clear the adhesive from the slide. Not 95% alcohol, but absolute alcohol, then xylene. Next, we will cover removing glass cover slips. This technique works best with slides that are over 5 years old. The older the better. Your main tool here is going to be your Histology free spray and a razor blade. First, give the slide a hefty coat of free spray. You will want to cover both sides of the slide and make sure you cover the entire cover slip. If you are worried about freezing your fingers, you can hold the slide with a pair of forceps. Once the slide has a generous coat of free spray, allow the slide to frost up. The ice will crystallize the old adhesive, making it easy to pop the cover slip away with a razor blade, as you see here. Allow the slide to come to room temperature, then run it through alcohol to xylene and recover slip. Fixing lifted film cover slips have been challenging, but we have found a technique that works well. Often we find that the tissue sticks better to the cover slip than to the slide, but no worries. Fill a Copeland jar with xylene and add 2 drops of superglue to the xylene. The superglue will help activate the old adhesive left on the cover slip film. Mix the glue into the xylene with another glass slide or stir stick. Dip the slide and cover slip into the xylene glue mixture, then place the glass slide on a counter with the cover slip on top of the slide. Cover them both with a paper towel and press down on the paper towel with the palm of your hand for about a minute. This will give the cover slip time to adhere to the slide. If you don't press evenly, the cover slip could be wavy, so be careful how you apply pressure. I hope these tips were helpful for you. Thanks for watching.